How to add text behind the person in CapCut PC. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, add your picture, then add your picture to the timeline. After you've done that, press on text at the top. After you've pressed on text, simply click on plus button on the text and add it to your timeline. After it's added to your timeline, edit what you want to write. You can also change font size and everything. After you're done, duplicate the video or picture. Then make it in this way. Text in the middle. After that, click on the top video and then at the top right, click on remove background and click on auto removal. After you've done that, simply play your video and you will find text behind the person. This is how to add text behind the person in CapCut PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.